Imagine betting against Elon. You'd probably have less money, and you get to show off to the world your intelligence. What's up, everybody? So, Don Fron here. By now, I'm sure you've heard, if you're in Tesla at all, you've heard their Tesla delivery numbers. So, we're going to talk about that today and just kind of, we're going to chart it out and see where it goes. Why I bought it for the weekend swing and what we can expect. So, real quick, production wise, Q4 is 305,840 vehicles. Total deliveries, 308,600. Like way above everybody's expectations of like 260. Blew that out of the park. I can't wait for Gordon Johnson to go live again. I can't wait to hear the remarks. And my one question now is, if Tesla does ever have some competition, do they put out numbers like this? And when they do reach that level, where is Tesla at? Like, we got 2 more factories about to start up. And we got this is without the Cybertruck. That's just the cars. Like, we still got the trucks, the semis, and oh man. Just imagine for 1 second thinking Tesla's not profitable, they're going to go bankrupt, or whatever they said. All right, so total for 2021. This is about the only bear case I think anybody could, they're just trying, they're just reaching. Total production was 930,422. With their deliveries, 936,172. I actually thought we would get to 1 million. Obviously, there was supply chain issues. We've heard about that, to no extent. Like, you've just heard that forever. Tesla still blew it out of the park. That's exciting. So, real quick, we've seen them throw I'm sorry for my language, just a shit fit. Because remember, they were supposed to deliver 100,000 cars in 1 quarter, and they went to like 97,000, like just shy of 98,000. And Tesla just sold off, like just drastically. Didn't hit that goal, bearish. Now, the 97,000 was record setting at the time for Tesla. So we've seen stupid things happen before. Yeah, we've seen stupid pile in. But this one, I don't think is going to be the case. With it being such a huge hit, I do expect analysts probably upgrade after upgrade. This is going to upgrade quite a bit. Everyone's going to have to adjust their numbers, so I do think this is bullish. The reason why I even bought it to swing over the weekend was just a picture-perfect like bull flag. It was in between zones, and I even told my mentorship group in my chat. I was on vacation last week, but I said, all right, I bought Tesla for the weekend swing. And my exact thing was I bought Tesla weekend swing. I'm in Amazon now. Don't think I'm going to swing that one. Tesla was my main one. I just like that setup. Retail week. No real bears showed up. And I wanted to be long over the weekend. That was where my allocation overall pretty light across the board on everything else. Tesla was the only one I bought for the weekend swing. So hopefully, my birthday is January 4th. Hope it's a nice little early present. Like 1 day early. Or we just run that thing into my birthday and I buy a Tesla with it. So anyway, let's bring up the option. I already have it up on the options chain. So January 7th, we're expecting a $74 move. Don't kid yourself. Hang on. Let's just chart what that looks like. 74. Oh yeah, get out of here. If you watched my last video, then I don't know. This is just gonna put right to it that. So my last video I talked about why I didn't sell an Iron Condor on the S&P. It's because we're just pricing in a relatively nothing week, and I don't think that's the case. I bet I think we should be buying the premium, not selling it, and probably why I'm going to, if we don't gap up something crazy, buy an Iron Condor tomorrow on the S&P. This is just going to fit right into it. So $74, Tesla can cover that in a day. That's an hour move. So let's just go ahead and chart out another. Why is it? I can't just get 74. It's close enough. That'll round down for the cents that we went up. All right. So there's 2 standard deviations. Now that's where a gamma squeeze happens, guys. It's that simple. That's where delta hedging takes place. Market makers pricing in a $74 move. As we get outside of that, they are no longer in a neutral delta. When you buy, let's say you buy an at-the-money contract for 50 deltas, the market maker that provided that liquidity for you is now actually negative 50 deltas. So options are soft deltas. Hard deltas are shares. What they will end up doing is buying shares. They'll buy 50 shares. Now they're in a delta neutral position. Now, it's not a 1-to-1 ratio on all of them. There's algorithms because things do fluctuate. Uh, that being said, their algorithms have everything priced in for this move. Getting outside of that, now those out of the monies got to be accounted for. And then you guys think no one's going to buy any out of the money contracts tomorrow? Those will be accounted for. And it just gets this propeller, just moves up, this melt up rather aggressively sometimes with Tesla. So that's where we'll see that. And it would be crazy. I don't know. Would not surprise me at all to see 2 standard deviations. But let's chart out 3, because if I don't, I know that'll be the next question of, is it going to go 3? Where's the 3 spot at? There's 3 standard deviations. The only thing I would be surprised at this week is to see it in this zone. You know, I guess the question coming up next is it too late to buy Tesla? Should I buy Tesla? You know, all the people like to buy super late, like after the move is made. As it pushes up, you know, things ebb and flow. It won't just be a straight candle up to the top to 3 standard deviations. That won't happen on Monday. There will be dip buys. This is where patience is key. This is also where, like, if you guys are going to get into something, you know, this is where that plan really, let's say the move's already been made. The easy money's always that first move, that leg candle up. You're like, great. Now, I missed the train. Do I get on this one here? Do I wait for a pullback? If you play the game of, I'm going to get in here, pick a trend, pick a time frame. Now, I'm physically looking at those. To me, it's going to be the hourly trend. I'm physically looking at the hourly candles, so my story changes when that hourly trend changes. So as long as those hourly candles are green, and those red ones are smaller than the green ones, and there's more green than red, guys, I've explained it to you very simply. I will stay in. That's where my stop is at. That's where I get out. That's how I manage my risk. Hey, I'm going to get in here. Here's where it's no longer hourly trending up. That's my stop. How many shares can I fit in there? I literally just did a how to manage your risk video. Watch that. You know, I would play that trend. As it continued to trend up, I could lean into it. If I'm going to get in here and stop out here, it's just not that big of a position for you and you want to get bigger, there's still better ways to do it than to just throw it at the wall and see if it sticks, because you might be buying something at the peak when you could have gotten in better. So again, this is the whole trading world, and there's always somebody that their IQ just rivals their thermostat on the wall, and they always they hear what they want to hear. I have an investment account that has Tesla. I'm not selling that. Yes, I'm still in Tesla. Then I have my trading account. Like, you have a job and you have an investment account. Trading is what I do for income. And then I have Tesla shares. So I love trading Tesla for its volatility. I have made more than Tesla investors by trading Tesla. So just to get all that out there, just clear for you guys, I do have 2 accounts. One just holds because I'm not stupid. Why would you not be in Tesla? I talked to one fund manager, manages $14 billion. He says they can't buy hopes and dreams. You know, like, and where that stemmed from was because I'm talking about Tesla's in the energy, gonna be in the energy sector, gonna do a whole bunch of cars. Since it's technically not on paper, they couldn't load up like we can. That's an advantage we have. Or it could be, you know, as far as pros and cons, that could fall into both. But other than that, like, why would you not be in Tesla? It's, at this point, kind of silly. These don't happen very often, and stop looking for the next Tesla, because they're still just Tesla. Plenty of growth for it. So anyway, that is going to be my video on Tesla Day. There's your 1 standard deviation, 2 and 3. This is where things get really volatile up here. Like, if we pass this one, if we hit 3, it would not surprise me to see us land in here. Is it too late to buy? If we're at 3 standard deviations, there's probably going to be a red day somewhere to give you a better price. This is not like... Yes, between now and the next 5 years, Tesla will be higher. But between now and 3 months from now, do you think we're just going to never get a dip? Don't kid yourself. If you missed the move and you didn't get in, fortunately for you, in this stock market, there's over 7,000 tickers you can get into and you can buy. So, I'll end it here. Let me know what you guys think down below. Before the market opens tomorrow, what do you think Tesla's open price is? Open. So for me, it's 8:30. What is the penny it opens at? Where does that daily candle start? Is there a giveaway for that? No, we still got it. If you guys want to buy the trading suite, there is still, use coupon code CYBER. There is still some of those. On a serious announcement, the suite is getting upgraded this week. it will go up. The price will go up. This is not like a gimmick. You know, I started uploading the suite for you guys, the trading suite. That is the Teachable link. And as I add videos to it, the price goes up. It is not like it's going to expire crap. It's going up. I'm going to add, my plan is to add a lot of, I want to get it finished up this week because there is an even bigger upgrade coming to it. Again, if you already have it, well, you're good. So anyway, that's that. All the links as usual are in the description. I will see you guys in the next video.